How to log in into TaxBandit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this simple video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your TaxBandit account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I will use Safari. Now search for the TaxBandit login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, here you will see different links and website on your screen. Keep on scrolling until you see the option of TaxBandits. Click on it. Once you do that, you will be directed to this page. If you haven't created your account, keep on scrolling and here you will see this button that says create a free account. Click on it and fill your information and your account will be created. But in order to log in, click on that 3- line at the top left corner. Once you click on it, here you will see different options on your screen. Click on the second last option that says sign in. Wait for a while and now you can finally enter your email address and password in order to sign in into your account. After filling all your information, click on sign in and that's it. But in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option below the sign in. So this much for this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.